right here and right here I have Ethernet cables, but how fast are they and in which system should I even put them? I mean, I have a very fast Wi-Fi, 1 gigabit. Which cable should I use? Which type, and how do I know that? Let me tell you today what that is very easily right now. So right here I have a minuscule cable. I'm just gonna unfold it and then you should be able to see text on the sidelines. After doing this, you need to just search the cable itself until you can see something like certified. So right here you can see certified, and it is certified for, wait, hold on, this one right here, Cat5e. So what is Cat5e? How fast is that? By the way, this mess of a cable is also 5e and it is just as fast. A shorter cable is not really going to differ in an Ethernet cable unless you're going to the other side of the world. But still, there are cables from the US to Europe. It ain't that strange, it's still fast. So Ethernet cables are categorized by Cat ratings, like Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat7 and Cat8. And yes, that's a 6 because it's 6 categories we have. For most home users, the most common option is going to be Cat5e or Cat6. And the speed of these are going to be 1 gigabits and 10 gigabits, depending on the network equipment. So if you get 1 gigabit from your network provider, you can use these cables perfectly fine and there's no worry. So most home users. But yeah, Cat5 is an older standard, can be up to 100 megabits. So make sure that when you look at this cable, it's also here, by the way, for me. I don't know if I can focus, but you can see Cat5 and it should be saying an E. Just double check another area of that long cable and should be able to find the E, which makes a very big difference. 5E is the enhanced edition, will improve the crosswalk and support gigabits, speeds and everything like that. It's also affordable and yeah, it's a solid choice for most people. So if you have a Cat5e Ethernet cable, you should actually be fine, and end of the video. Now I'm going to talk about the other versions if you're interested. By the way, check out our merch at thephoneisdone.nl/shop so you can get your own. Also make sure you subscribe so we can make more videos like this. We also have the Cat6 and Cat6a cables. So yes, there is more. So Cat6 can actually transfer 1 gigabits in a very long range and 10 gigabits in a shorter range. So it can actually get up to 55 meters, which is 180 feet, and that is a big difference. And Cat5e will have shorter distances with more speed than a Cat6a cable. And 6a, so Cat6a is going to support 100 meters, which is 328 feet, and still gives you 10 gigabits per second, which is immensely quick. But Cat8 is unbelievably fast, and you will probably never really see this in your life. But right here it says 25 to 40 gigabits per second. I mean, if you had GTA 5, and I know it's 120 gigabits, bytes, I mean, it's very important. Because if we have a Cat8 cable, and we have that as our network provider, which is difficult, I think will cost a lot of money. Normal people will probably have under 1 gigabit or probably 100 megabytes. Bits, it's very small. So do mind that 40 means divided by 8, and this is how fast it is in gigabyte. 8 bits is 1 byte. So with gigabits, we create bytes. So to simplify it, GTA 5 is probably around 120 gigabytes, and times 8 is how much it is in gigabits. So we can either divide this by 40, or what we can do is convert 40 divided by 8 before we create gigabytes per second, and we do this divided by the game itself. So that's 24 seconds it takes to install GTA 5. And I'm not lying. because it's gigabits per second and we converted it to bytes, which means in seconds this happens. Very quick. Cat 8 is an amazing cable and you're probably never going to see it. Who has this? I mean, come on. Yes, we have labs now. Yes, of course, it's for high performance networking, data sensors. Need this. Of course, I will believe that. So Salt Switzerland and SK Broadband South Korea have this. What is this? Salt. Oh, so Salt from Switzerland has a 40 gigabits cable running. That's crazy. They can install GTA 5 in 24 seconds. So it really depends. I recommend you just get 5E. The E is very important. Remind yourself. And after getting this, you should mostly be fine. You shouldn't even worry about it. I mean, most people don't even have 1 gigabit. Most people have around 100 to 500 megabits. So which speed do most people have? Let's search. 20 to 100 megabits. I was wrong, but if you look at most of the world, of course. I mean, here in Holland, it's minimum 100 megabits. Unless you're old, you have 40 or 50 megabits. But like 1 gigabit is 1,000 megabits. Like, I mean, imagine that and then times 40, which is the Cat 8 cable. Crazy. People have this. I don't want to waste your time anymore. I want to thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so we can actually make more videos like this and also grow the channel, competitive creating and all. This company is growing fast and I'm very happy for that. I will see you in the next one and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.